Okay, at the garden plot today. It's a nice, cool day. Uh, Heading towards the end of August, and we're out here just harvesting some of what we got this year. And I'm at my three sisters' companion planting section, and I got some corn here. Didn't grow very big. I forgot to put some nitrogen, rather some fish parts or fish and with the seeds. So and then there should have been only like 4 stalks or so. So they were competing. So but these are still usable, still edible, just not as big as they could have been. The ears of corn is what I'm talking about. But then we got the green beans came up, which is nice. So I'm gonna harvest some of those. But as you can see, what happens is the green beans wrap around the corn stalk and provide some stability to it. And that's kind of really the real cool concept about companion planting and how this works. And there's many different ways of companion planting. There's different ways, but this is a common, well-known way that the native peoples had come up with, and they all serve a purpose. Again, the squash down here, right here, I got one coming up there. It's a small one. What the big leaves do is they shade out any competing plants, and then the beans provide nitrogen for the soil. So we got the bean stalks here. Off camera, the bean stalks here, and the bean stalks are winding around, and they need something to grow on, so they wind around the corn stalks, and the corn stalks help. And we go all the way up, kind of in a jungle here. And then we're going all the way up there. So we're just out here harvesting, and it'll be out here a while. I'm just gonna pick some things and be kind of done with it. But I just wanted to share how things are looking so far. And there's a nice green bean there growing. So there we go. Just a quick one.